In this video, I'll show you how to translate a video into another language with Heygen. First, open your web browser, go to the Heygen website, and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, click Video Translate from the dashboard. Next, click Upload Video and choose the video you want to translate from your computer. Wait for the upload to finish before continuing. Now, select the original language spoken in the video. Then choose the language you want to translate it into. If available, review the voice, speaker, and lip sync settings to match your preferences. After that, click Translate or Generate and wait while Heygen processes your video. The platform will translate the speech, generate the new audio, and synchronize the speaker's lip movements with the translated language. Finally, preview the translated video to make sure everything sounds natural and the lip sync looks accurate. If you're satisfied with the result, click Download to save the translated video to your device. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to translate a video into another language with Heygen. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.